Recently, we celebrated my grandma's birthday, so we did a Periyachi Amman Padiyal. It is an annual tribute to the Hindu goddess of fertility which our family carries out every year, usually on birthdays. So today I'm going to share one of the recipes, which is Karuvadu Kolumbu, salted fish curry. So my grandma starts by adding fenugreek and then a lot of garlic, shallots and some curry leaves. Saute that for 3 to 5 minutes until nicely golden brown. Once that's done, add in the eggplants. This is a very large portion. Add some turmeric. She's really happy when she cooks. Also add in some chili powder and about 6 tablespoons of fish curry powder. Once you've added all the spices, give it a good mix and add some thin coconut milk, which is the second pressing of the coconut milk. Once it's come to a good simmer, you can let that sit for about 15 minutes, add some salt and add the thick coconut milk, and then finally add in the salted fish and you will get Karuvadu Kolumbu. Amazing. So let's go to the main dish. What do you think my family is doing? Back in the kitchen, we're making the main dish, which is the chicken curry. 6 chickens in this pot. It's a team effort and our family spends the entire day cooking. We decorate the altar and we set up for the prayers. So we have the kuttuvalakku on a table. There are fruits, certain side dishes like moringa stir fry, salted fish curry, boiled eggs, desserts like kali, kolkata and ada. And once everything is set in place, the prayers will begin with my grandmother starting the prayers. She cuts a coconut and makes this thing called a kalanji, which is an offering to the gods. And once she has done her respects, all of us take turns and say thanks to the Lord. After all of that is done, we celebrated my grandma's 84th birthday. We had a carrot cake from Secret Recipe because we were tired of all the chocolate and vanilla stuff. So all the grandchildren, everyone, we had a good time with family members all coming back together to celebrate. We also had the food for Periyachi, and that's Rainy, the dog that you would have seen in the previous videos in my channel here. And cheers to my grandma. All the best. And if you want to watch the recipes, go check out my YouTube channel.